Now, if you have an equation that is a rotated axis, it's going to look something like this, with an xy term in it. If you notice on the last equation, they didn't have a b. Did you notice that? B's coming in here. So b is what leads the x and y thing. Okay? So now, if we're trying to figure out what a conic does with a rotated axis, all right? This is what the equation now looks like. We've added a b in there. So if you have an equation with x, y in it, you know it's a rotated axis. Okay? See that difference? Now, in here, if it's a parabola, then b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0.
So it's pretty much the same.
No, because that was ellipse, remember? No, it was parabola. We're okay. So it's kind of the same thing.
With the ellipse and hyperbola.
Yeah. So just go off of this formula when you see it. Okay?
You're moving me.
So,
This is so light.
Oh no, hold on. Can you go back? No.
Okay, you guys laugh
I
now.
bet Ed has it
Laugh
clear
it
right
up.
now.
What?
I bet Ed has it clearly.
Probably. No, probably not.
Because he can look at it.
Yeah, probably
No,
not.
I mean, it doesn't
Oh.
matter whether we erased it or
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what you're dealing with is b squared minus 4ac, right? Got it? Am I in it?
No.
Good. All right, I'm in this one.
Yes.
So we okay with that?
No. No, wait.
No, no, wait. I can wait.
What was he taking? What did you take?
Yeah, it's probably too young for Mr. Bill.
The what?
Mr. Bill.
Saturday Night Live with Mr. Bill. It was a piece
Yes.
of play they used to kill all
Yes.
the time in different ways.
I know what you're talking
Yes.
I'm just a bit confused because on the
I
last
do
two
watch Saturday Night
ellipse, AC was greater than 0 on this,
You
it's
should.
less than,
It's really funny.
why is that?
It comes
Think about what's going on. We've added a b squared in there, right? So we're subtracting it.
He probably does have that ability.
In that case, it was just AC, right? Greater than 0
The
for this
record
one.
button.
But if they're greater than 0 and we subtract them from b squared, it's going to end up going that way. That's what's happening.
I think
All right? Okay, we got it?
Sure.
Now,
I really don't know
Then-
how to do this.
what's this one?
Ellipse.
It's greater than, so that makes it.
So, first, all you need to know is first what? I won't do first A and B. Let's just do it together.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay.
What do you mean? What do you need to know?
It's
What's A, B, and C?
A is 1, B is 2, 1.
So, now I've got, what's my formula?
Is B squared minus 4AC. So that would be 4 minus 4, which is 0, which makes it a parabola.
Okay.
what
Makes
do you
sense?
do?
Okay.
I don't know
So-
this one already.
Are you alright?
You like that formula? What about that one? What do we do with that one?
I just scored some sweet laugh.
What do we know on this?
All these are real.
A is,
2.
B is,
Negative. Wait. No.
Okay.
B doesn't exist.
Can you send that to me?
See?
Mine's negative 4.
Let me see.
so we don't care about the B, right?
Thomas, let me
It's not a
see.
rotated one? So
Let's make
what's
everything
2
go
times?
farther away.
Negative 1?
What? Hey,
So that is
Thomas.
a parabola, is that right?
No.
Okay, now what's our A, B, and C one for the
This hurts my
hyperbola?
eyes.
Thomas, let Davis take a picture of you. Wait, Thomas.
B
Let Davis take
squared
a picture.
minus 4AC,
Can you
right?
send it to me, Dave?
So it's 0 minus
Quilim's how we.
or plus
Did
a
you
number,
get it?
right?
Plus
Let me see.
Yeah, looks like he's playing
I'm lost. Oh.
This
What is such a bad picture?
plus 2 times 4, right? So it's plus 8. Now what's it show up to be? Did that work? It's positive. It's greater than 0. Does it show a hyperbola in that equation also? Okay, so it doesn't matter. You see, it really doesn't matter which equation. You use it better, work on both of them. Okay. Got it?
No.
What? Oh, you were back her glasses.
She's nearsighted, I guess.
He got some
Okay.
bad vision.
I know.
Homework.
I need to strengthen them too.
Really?
These are working different problems of different types like you've worked them before. These are all just telling what kind it is. So all you're telling here is whether it's a hyperbola, an ellipse, or a parabola. Okay? So these should take all of about 10 minutes. Those will take a little longer. Got it?
Got it.
Wait, what's the first part?
The first part is in our existing homework. It's mixed. Look at the problems. They're mixed of ellipses, hyperbolas, and parabolas.
Does the book have the AC that goes greater than stuff?
What are you trying to do with it?
You didn't write it down?
Nope. I was trying to see what
That's easy.
Wait,
Well, what are you whining about now?
does the book have the what?
Oh, you should probably write down the formula.
Craig, the,
Negative B. I mean B.
wait, what did you ask?
I'm asking. I don't know the AC equals 0 stuff or whatever.
No.
That
I was gonna write it down.
That stuff, that was on the homework at some point, wasn't
Where's
it?
this one? Huh?
I feel like there was a question that asked that because I wrote it down at some point.
There.
I don't know
So,
what that
like,
means.
I'm not gonna stress anymore that for your response quiz.
I know. Same here.
You didn't write the overall quiz?
It's not that hard, is
I don't know
it?
what that means.
You had 2000.
It's
Coefficients.
hard.
I don't know what that
It's
word
just
is.
it's over with, so I'm happy now.
Great.
It's not hard,
Go
Dave.
fish.
It's like an hour.
I don't know what that word means.
It's the number in front of the variable.
Go fishing.
Granted, I was off task most of the time.
3.
Makes sense.
Just like studying
Huh?
is like a
It
hassle.
sucks.
I don't understand how there's like
You're just
four
like reading
letters
it
in there.
over.
Are you going to all the extra credit thingies?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
There's only 6 of them. Is 6 points like worth it though? But at the same time, you also get
Yeah.
to study, so I guess.
Okay.
No, it's worth it, I think.
No. Whatever's in front of the x squared is x. Whatever's in front of the
We make
y
the end of
squared
course
is c.
exam really easy.
I think you will.
Just like how we did last
I
time.
don't
It gives us
understand
all
that. The red stuff.
all
Yeah,
the multiple.
So a times c.
That was what?
That was a lot.
So this, so if I'm
But at
dealing
least he gave
with
it to us.
6x squared plus 2y squared, a
What'd you
is
get?
6,
What'd you get?
c is 2.
See.
2 times 6 is 12.
I got
Which
an
does it
88.
fall under?
Okay, what about
And I
the
studied.
eating that? Like, that has nothing to do with
I
anything.
think Rio got
What?
like an 89. That pissed me off.
D, E, and F we don't use to tell
I
which is
finished
which.
with like an 88.
We don't need it to tell which is
I
which.
did it really close, but yes, ended up giving me an A.
Yeah.
for
They
first
might
time.
exist.
What?
They can.
What?
I could have
I had
plus
89.4.
4x plus
It's like
or
this Heller.
minus 3y or plus 3y plus 7 equals
That's
0. I
crazy,
could have
Dave. You're
that.
lucky.
So is the
Although,
the huge equation
One time I was like,
before you
Miss
skill.
Heller, I have a C in this class. Like, what? And she was like, oh, I'll
Yeah,
just give you an A.
before
I
you
was like,
complete the square.
okay.
Yeah. Makes sense
Miss
now?
Heller.
Okay. Now there's another one with that B that
She
comes
was like, oh,
in.
don't worry about it. I'll fix it. And I was like,
And
okay.
that's when you got an XY. That's a rotating time.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I didn't turn stuff in or whatever. And she was like, oh, don't worry about it. I'll just fix it. And I was like, all right. Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay.